Okay, good afternoon guys. Welcome back to Teto Jobs Gaming at meron tayong quest number 3 today. Okay, so ang rewards for today's explore is rune codes plus red and blue codes kapag ikaw yung overall MVP dun sa 3 rounds. Okay. So bago tayo mag-start guys, basahin muna natin yung mechanics. Okay. Explore room with Teto Jobs Gaming quest number 3, the Water Bomb Battle PvP mode. Splashing water on each other will be so refreshing. The biggest festival is almost here, Songkran, Thailand's water festival. Every year in mid-April, Songkran takes place. Many areas organize activities involving water guns, foam, or soap bubbles, such as the famous Khao San Road and Silom Road. Many foreigners from various countries flock to join the fun. Let's splash water, use water guns, and cool off the heat. Okay, to join guys, kailangan nyo lang maging follower ng page. Tapos mag-comment kayo ng exclamation point, notify, plus your IGN. And then, participate as gunslinger or ninja job. So, pag gunslinger kayo, simulate nyo yung water gun combat. Yung pwede kayong pumili ng weapon sa gunslinger, pwede yan. And then kapag kayo naman ay ninja, gamit kayo ng ice skill. So, this time guys, yung black and white chest natin, ay yung ating mga round 1 and round 2, 3 is, pwede kayo pumatay, wala nang problema. So, kung maganda yung gunslinger nyo or ninja, pwede kayo pumatay. Again, iniisip ko kasi, iba-ibang map tayo, hindi lang black and white chess. So, unahin natin yung map 1, then chess, then map 2. Okay, map 1, map 3, map 2. Ganun ang gawin nating format. Okay, sana makakompleto tayo ng taga-anin kung kaya. So, if ever gusto nyo mag-join, guys, pa-notify na ako. So, we have 3 already here. Wait. So to join guys, you must join the PvP room, okay? Join paano ba to? Ay, so casual mode. Custom mode pala. So map 1 muna tayo. On full power naman tayo guys. Ating password ay 696969. Okay. So type ko yung password natin. Password 6969696969. So yung mga nag-notify na Remyong sa ProBlade Jasmelo, pwede na kayo pumasok sa PvP room. Ating password ay 696969 guys. On full power naman tayo. So ating unang map is map 1, yung Magic Prison map, okay? So kumpleto muna tayo ng maraming viewer guys. So meron tayong tag-2. So wait po. Share lang ako ng stream para makahanap tayo ng mga contestants. Pa-share na rin ng stream guys sa mga pages. Rune codes. Okay. Sa mga gusto mag-Civic 6, mamaya pala ay sa week 5 ng season 23 Magic Prison. So sa mga gusto sumali, sa mga gustong manood, mamaya atang, hindi ko sure kung 9 or 8 or 7. Manood kayo guys. Alam ko, andyan sila Fly Solo. Just meron dito na. So, Bladed, Safro will join at 1:10. Sige, okay lang. Remyong, punta na kayo sa ating room, guys. Galving pala to si Jasmine. Teka, asa na ba yung ano? Tawag tayo sa Chaos. Discord. Wait lang. Paano ba to? Seven. Tune codes. Go to... Ito na yun. Para punta doon. Gulat naman ako doon. Shopee link. Okay. Saan na yun? Bilang guys ha. Gana tayo ng mga participants. Para mas marami, mas masaya. Remyong, alam mo na pumasok sa PVP room. Password natin 696969. Baka 1 hour tayo mangolekta ng mga tao. Let's go, let's go. Just Mellow. Just Mellow. Gunslinger o Ninja? Well, kasi hindi nakikita dito, no? Gunslinger. Okay. Sige, sige. Asa na si Remyong? Remyong, let's go. Ignatius Dexter, Big Belly, where are you? Wait lang, Kuis, pa-online na. Sige lang, hindi naman tayo nagmamadali. Okay, Remyong, ano ka? Remyong, GS o Ninja? Obanay, if you want to join, go to PVP. Where are you, Obanay? Are you watching on a cost post? If you're watching a cost post, go to Teto Jobs Gaming and notify here. Gunslinger, okay. Obanay, maybe you are watching from Bladed. Piatitos, Nobunaga Place. Please go to Teto Jobs Gaming so you can join. O, diba? Tumatakbo-takbo sa... Pwede kayo mag-gunslinger, guys. Ganyan yung costume nyo dapat. May baril-baril. Okay, so meron tayong dalawa. So, Bladed and Sapro. Where is Bladed and Sapro? 110. Okay. I think they're going Apok first. Start. Ay, okay. Wait lang Wait lang, Remyo. Tsaka just Medo Mahirap naman kung wala kayong kalaban. Nag-aapak pa kasi si Bladed tsaka si Sapro. Room code event. Go to Teto Jobs Gaming page to join. Yan. Mix. Okay, let's mix. You know how to join the group. So go to PvP, click the team competition, then go to custom mode. Look for my room, Teto Jobs room. Then join, and our password is 696969. Then choose team 1 or team 2. Okay. We will have 3 rounds, Mick. So we will have 3 rounds. First, the map 1. After map 1, we go map 3, the chess, black chess. Then if we have tie-breaking points, we will go map 2, okay? So Obanai is here. Obanai. Okay. Obanai, please notify on stream so I know who to give the code. Notify Kitty pa. Okay, let's go. So we have 3 already in the other side. So Mick, Kitty Pao, you can go team 2. Bladed and Sapro also. Kitty Pao and Mick, our password is 696969. So you can enter. Sa kanya nanonood si Obanay. Baka kay Bladed ito nanonood. Check natin. Oh, Kitty Pao is here. Okay. Ito Obanay. Okay. Okay. So Obanay, Kitty Pao, GS or Ninja. Hello, Obanay. Thank you for notify. Wait lang. We will have to complete first the teams, so it will be very enjoyable for us to battle 6v6 if we can. If we cannot, 4v4 or 5v5 will be good. We will battle 3 rounds. map 1 first, then map 3, then if you have a tie-breaking stage, map 2, okay? And then, all participants, win or lose, will win a rune code. And for the overall MVP, when you say overall MVP, it's either 2 MVP for the 3 games or 1 MVP for the 2 games. Let's see if I have extra red and blue, I will give all MVP, okay? But for now, our mechanics is overall MVP. If all 3 rounds will be different MVP, I will check if I can give all 3 red and blue, okay? Obana is Ninja. Okay. Itipao is Ninja, okay. Okay, please use the ice skill. TY. Healing is allowed, just like any MP tournament. We will be far on full power. No pressure, just enjoy the game. All will win rune codes, lose or win. MVP for the round. Okay, wait. Overall for 3 rounds will win additional red blue codes. Oh, Mick, where are you, Mick? Is Mick here? Oh, you have Mick here. Okay. Mick, GS or Ninja? All map. So our format will be map 1, then map 3, then if we have tie, map 2. Notify. Oh, sige Alan, hindi ko mabasa eh. Bladed. Go to PvP room. So guys, pumunta naman kayo sa team 2. Kailangan ko sa team 2 si Safro, Bladed, and Alan Doctora. Meron na. Lumipat si Remyong. Okay, sige. Ay, bumalik. Ay, bumalis. Palipat-lipat. Pwede ka na dyan, Remyong, kasi para 4v4 tayo. Oy, Kami, hello. Kami, our password to enter the PvP room is 696969. GS me, okay. Sapro, GS or Ninja. So we have Sapro here, okay. We're waiting for Bladed and Nugget. And Alan, so it will be 5v5, okay. We wait until 1:15. If no more, we go 5v5. Okay, so Alan, para makapasok ka sa PBB room, ang ating password ay 696969. Okay? Kami, enter the PBB room as our password is 696969. We are fire on full power, okay? Hello, Bladed. Huy. Oh, we have Bladed here. Okay, so we are waiting for Alan, Doctora, and Kami. Okay? Oh, we still need one for 5v5. Wait. One more for 5v5. Everyone. Oh, so who? Dangkit eh. Kami is here. Okay. We still need Alan, Doctora. Alan, nakapasa ka ba? We still need one. We still need one after Alan. Okay. Alan, Doctora, asan ka na? John Paul de Dios, baka gusto mo sumali. Nag-aayos lang saglit. Oh, sige, sige. Oh, meron pa kami isang slot, guys. Alan, pagpasok mo, punta ka sa team 2, ha? Sama mo si Remyong, Jasmelo, tsaka si Sapro. Uy, Eat Sheet! Let's go! You wanna join Eat Sheet? Kailangan ko pa na isang slot sa team 2. Para kayong dalawa ni Alan. Eat Sheet, notify ka na. Tara na, tara na. Ating password ay 696969 para makapasok kayo sa PB room. Pumunta kayo sa team 2, guys. Ayun si Lords daw. Pa-notify lang sa Streamlabs. Pa-notify lang sa Streamlabs. Dito. Ayun na, si Mark Landis. Oh. Unahan mo na si Itchit. Ayaw mag-notify ni Itchit eh. O sino tong pumasok? Si Alan, okay? We still, kung kaya pa ng tatlo, sige, tatlo tayo. Pero kapag wala na, 5v5 tayo, guys. Jazz, gusto mo sumali, Jazz? Dali, bago tayo mag-start. Ayun, si Lords. Lords, punta ka ng team 2. Si Lords. Team 2, Lords. Team 2. Team 2. Password natin ay 696969. Antayin lang natin si Lords. Okay, si Alan. Alan, ano ka? Alan, Bladed, GS or Ninja? Yan si Lords. Lords, team 2 ka. Swords. GS or Ninja? Guys, use summer outfit costumes. Hindi naman required pero gawin nyo na. Okidoki. GS or Ninja Job po Ninja Job po. Any. Basta GS or Ninja. Wala naman team composition to, laro lang. Wala namang kompe. Laro-laro lang tayo. Uy, Deadly Slayer is here, okay? Dead Slayer, please notify on stream. Okay, mukhang magsi 6v6 tayo, guys. We need one more for 6v6. Okay, wait. I need one more. One more for 6v6. Shit. Let's G. Yan pa. Kailangan pa na isa, guys. Yan, Dead Slayer. Okay. Thank you for notifying. Zuye, you will complete the last spot. Zuye, are you going to join? I need one more for team 2. Okay, Zuye, let's go. Okay. Okay, Zuye to complete 6v6. Wait. You just need to be Ninja or Gunslinger, okay? Okay. Be on Gunslinger or Ninja Job. Use summer outfit. For Ninja, please use ice skill to simulate the Songkran Festival. Okay, guys? Izuye here. Ay, i-cheat. Nauna na si i-cheat. Zuye, wait. Yes, Ken. Like normal. MP. I-cheat. Kailangan i-cheat. Nauna si Zuye. Sorry. Alisin mo na kita, ha? O, ZA to team 2. Zuye, team 2, please. Oh, Nick is like YYZ. Yeah. Okay. We have our first 6v6 team. Guys, wait. Screenshot ko lang. Ready? I don't sound like him. Yes, you do. Ready, guys? Please be in required job. Round 1, map 1. Okay, round 1, magic prison. Okay, flag. Let's go, round 1. After natin 20 minutes na buuin yung 6 na team. 2 team na taga-6. Okay, let's go, start. Let's go, let's go. Na. Okay. Sa team ni Bladed, naku, may offline yata. Ano to? May 2 ninja, 3 gunslinger. Sa team ni Remyong, 5 gunslinger, 1 ninja. Okay? Sino tong offline? Sino tong naka-offline? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kailangan ba natin lumabas? Parang offline yung isa. Sino? Ayun, okay na, on na siya. So, 4 na gunslinger, 2 ninja. Okay? So, let's go to Bladed. Bladed, I know Bladed does gunslinger equips eh. So, let's see. Oh, they're using the eyes. They're using the eyes. Wow. Oh, pinatay siya. Let's go to Jasmelo. Wow, ganda naman ang wings si Jasmelo. Let's see their summer outfit, guys. Naka-summer outfit sila lahat, oh. Okay. Si Zuye. Ito, ang init ng summer outfit ni Zuye. Okay, Mick. Okay. Nakapang TV na ulo. Oh, Deadly Slayer. Okay. Fragment. Desperado. Okay. Okay. Kaylee dead. Bladed. Ito, sexy. Kitty Pao. Very sexy. Oh. Hiding. Ninjutsu Ice-Duck. Oh, ninja. So right now, Remyong has 3 orbs. Team Bladed has no orbs. My God. Bladed, what are you doing? Get some orbs. Okay, it's 27 kills versus 1. Team Bladed is being murdered. Okay. 2,290 versus 120 points. Makakahabol pa ba ang Team Bladed sa map 1? O baka babawi sila sa map 3 after nito? Punta tayo sa ninja kasi may ice skill pa eh. Ayun o, icicle skill. Uy, patay. Half D yung team ni Remyong. Pero on full power tayo, guys. 3330 versus 3330. Nako, ang laki ng diferensya. Apat na ang orb ng Team Remyong. Wow, the MVP is Just Mellow. Wow. First MVP, Just Mellow. Let's see. Okay, Team 1. Round 1. Team 1. MVP, Just Mellow. Round 2. Map 3. Ready. It is black and white chess. Let's see. Tingnan natin kung babawi ang Team Bladed. Uy! Wait! Sino umalis? Who left? MVP for additional code only. But all of you will have room code. Sino umalis? Si Deadly Slayer ba yun? Ay hindi. Kitty Pop Obanay Nugget. Kitty Pop Obanay Nugget. Oh, it's Mick! Mick, where are you? Why did you leave, Mick? 3 games. Oh, is Mick back? Wait, Big Belly, no. Where's Mick? Mick, are you there? Wait. Wait. If Mick do not come back, we take big. Mick, are you there? I'm giving you 3 minutes. We wait for 3 minutes. If no Mick present, go with big for map 3. Big Belly, Big Belly, Big Belly, are you GS or Ninja? Big Belly. Oh. Okay, bye Big Belly. Mick. 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 Go team 1. Big Belly later because we have a team first. Oh, Mick is here. Mick, go to team 1. Okay, let's go. Map 3. Big Belly, wait. You join later, okay? Bladed, you, nasa na you? Bladed, you there? Bladed, you there? Let's go. Start. Map 3, guys. Okay, black and white chess, guys. Parang 3 beses kami natalo dito. Week 4. Tignan natin kung babawi ang team ni Bladed, guys, dito. In 20 seconds, let's go. Eight seconds. Okay, let's go to the ninja first. Okay. Zhuye versus Alan Doctora. Tingnan natin kung sino mananalo. Okay, nag-cash siya ng parang free something yan, di ba? Zhuye. So, the map is half black. Okay. Oh no, it's bingo black. Team white is Team Bladed. Team black is Team Remyong. Okay, let's go. Let's go to the Team Bladed Ninja. Okay, let's go. He's trying to capture the 6 o'clock. Okay. Okay na, bumabawi na yung white. Okay, our score is 1,305 versus 200. Naku, parang matutulad. Okay, Big Belly and Farah next batch. Ganda naman ang mount nito. Big Belly and Farah, please wait for next batch. If Team Remyong will win this match, next batch na tayo. So, pwedeng mag-wait pwede re-challenge yung Team Bladed, guys, for a chance to win red and blue codes versus the new team, okay? Kailangan pa natin bumuo ng 4. Kailangan nyo pa ng 4, Big Belly tsaka para hanap pa kayo ng 4. Grabe, init, no? Buti lang yung game natin puro basaan. Ninjutsu, Thousand Shadow. Yung ninjutsu ba, kung nagka-count siya, nakaka-capture ba siya ng stronghold? Oh no, talagang tinapos na ng Team Remyong to. Oh Lords, he's the MVP. $20 kills, 15 Remyong. Oh, grabe. Okay. Round 2. Team Remyong. MVP Lords. Team Bladed. 1 to play again. Okay, let's go round 3. Exhibition. Map 2. For another MVP, okay? Kimi. Let's go. Round 3. Nag-round 3 sila guys. Nag-request. Mukhang gusto bumawi ni Remyong. Gusto ni Remyong magka-MVP. Kung gusto mo mag-MVP di Remyong, kumuha ka ng orb. Okay, 22 seconds to start. 19. Three, 2, 1, let's go! Balik tayo sa ninja ulit, ni Zuyei. Yun no. Nagkas siya ng, ano yan? Itong petrify ba yan? Bladed, down sure gunslinger. Ayun na, naglalabanan sila dito. Yung patay si Bladed. Pinatay ni Lord. So, Team Remyong has the 4 orbs guys. So, you need to kill. Oh, one has died. Okay. You need to get the orb to win, guys. Nasaan na ba si Remyong? Ayun, pinapatay yun. Ako si Kimi, di na lumabas. Oh, get niyo yung white orb, oh. Ayun, namatay. Wow. Kaya naman nun. So, hindi pa rin nakakuha ng orb yung ano. Team Bladed, what are you doing? So, gawin na natin guys, yung mga hindi pa nag-MVP, pwede pa kayo maglaro next round. Para makuha natin si Big Berry tsaka si Farah. Okay. Yung mga nag-MVP, hindi na kayo pwede maglaro. Masyado na kayong panalo. Okay. So si Lord tsaka si Just Melo, hindi na kayo pwede maglaro. Next round kasi naka-MVP na kayo. Okay? Ang sarap. Grabe, 3K, naging 3K eh. Okay, Zuyei. Wow. So round 3. Wait, ang tagal eh. Wait lang. Round 3. Zuyay. MVP. Still want to play for those who haven't got MVP? If yes, just stay. I get other joiners. No, AS need prepare stream quest. Oh, let me join. Okay, Farah and Big Belly. 2 down low. Farah and Big Belly, you can join now. Are you still there, Farah and Big Belly? Just Melo, hindi na to pwede kasi nag-MVP na to. So yung MVP natin si Just Melo, si Lords, at saka si Zuyay. Okay. Tanggalin ko na si Just Melo ha. Okay, si Farah andito na. Big Belly, asan si Big Belly? Okay. Tawagin ko lang guys si Big Belly. Big Belly, Sheet, Big Belly, batch 2. So, Remyong, Alan, and sino to? Dead. Remyong, Alan, and Obanay, and Obanay wants to play again. I still need how many? Oh, Big Belly. If you're there, let's go. Ayaw na pala ni Obanay. So si Remyong, si Alan, si Dead Slayer na A1. Big Belly tsaka Eat Sheet. Let's go, yeah. Dead Slayer, you have many kills ba? Oh, you're killing. Oh, but you're in Bladed team. You want to have revenge? Oh, there will be one team, okay? Wait. Let them yung carry. Wait, para what job are you? Para GS or Ninja? GS, Pew. Okay. Let's wait for 2 more. So mag 3v3 na lang tayo guys. Big Belly, where are you? Saan na yun? Si Big Belly. Big Belly join. Join. Huwag ka na magtampo Big Belly kasi may mga ano kanina eh. Hope can get red and blue. Yes, of course. Grabe si Lords kumatay, no? Si Lords at saka si Remyong kumakatay. ...36 kills si Lords. Tapos si Remyong 10 kills nung round 3. Tapos nung round 2... 20 kills si Remyong. 15 kills si Remyong. Round 1... 14 kills si Remyong, 36 kills si Lords. So, grabe. Si Lords talaga yung maraming kills. Buti nag-MVP siya. Kasi meron din siya. Okay, Big Belly is here. Oh, Big, you are ninja or gunslinger? Big Belly is ninja. Okay. Okay. Let's wait for each sheet. Each sheet. Join team 1. Baka mag-ninja to kasi magic si Ichit eh. Wait lang. Huwag natin mag-sim si Ichit guys para makapag 3v3 na tayo. -143v3. Baka meron dyan sa viewers na gusto sumali, may isa pa tayong slot. Ano muna tubig? Grabe init. So hot. Spread water on everybody. Each shit must be on big team. Yoo, Simpson. Arnel, ikaw na lang. Kailangan pa natin ng isa. Wow, Red, Chaos, and Mars. Then Great Genocide. Medyo busy me now. Okay. Is each sheet do not show I join team 1 in may pagbasaan tayo guys. Mag-ninja kaya ako? Kasi walang weapon to eh. Wala na weapon. Paano to? Oh, buhay. Ano ba akong pambarel? Wala eh. Mag-freeze na lang tayo. Freeze natin sila. Silence. Freeze. Ano pang gusto nyo? Kasi wala akong weapon. I-cheat wala, oh. Ngayon ito para makapag-end stream na ako. Ano tayo mag black and white chess? Let's go, let's go. Taguan natin si Remyong. Delikado si Remyong. Ang hirap, masakit. Dead Slayer, Alan, let's go. Alan, nandiyan ka pa ba? Alan, diyan ka pa? Tingnan natin. Okay, let's go na. Dalawa lang yung kalaban. At tatlo. Oh. Yan sa Alan, no? Okay, 33 seconds. Galingan nyo, tumakbo guys ha. Takbo-takbo lang tayo. Mahirap labanan tong mga to. Mga mamamatay tao tong mga to. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, takbo! Aray! Nag-hide siya. Aray ko, sirin nyo, sanatay ako. Save us! Ay! Oh no, they're coming us. Wala akong damage. Wala akong damage. Right ko. Dapat pala nag-tank build na lang ako. Oh, may kalaban! Oh! Nahabol ako. Aray ko, inahabol ako ni Remyong. Hindi, ayaw na tayo pakawalan. Habulin mo ako. Habulin niya ako. Okay, si Dead Slayer ang MVP. Si Remyong ayaw mag-MVP. Okay, MVP Dead Slayer. Round 2 Map 1 kasi nag-map 3 tayo eh. Let's go, let's go. Ano kaya gagawin namin dito? Yan natin. Sa hirap punta dito. Tabi-tabi tayo. Sabay-sabay tayo mamatay. Seven, 6, 5. Kuha kayo ng orb ha? Para kuha ka ng orb. Punta ka kabila. Papatayin sila dun sa gitna. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kuha tayo ng green orb. Ay, hindi ako makapag-Fallen Angel pala pag may... Oh, hindi kaya mo yan! Ay! Wala, papatay na kayo siya! Okay, nakuha natin bago mamatay. Napatay ako ni Alan. Takbo! Nakuha ko yung orb. Hey! Ayun, takbo na mo! Ah, 30, 4, 32, 31, 30. Let's go! May palaka dun. Ay, nabala ko. Nakita ako. Ulit ang orb. Sinabol nila ako. Ay, yun ba yan? Sabi ako yung player. Takbo. Nakukuha ko lagi yung orb eh. Ay, naku. Wait ko. Kain natin to guys, mananalo tayo. Kain natin to. Diba? Ako mag-MVP, ako nag-MVP. Ah, kapagod yun ah. MVP me. MVP me. Cancel. Last game. Last game. Ano tayo? Temple of Reincarnation. Okay, let's go. Ay, sino umalis? Si Farah? Farah, ba't umalis ka? Ay, Farah left. Hindi pa ako MVP. We can do this big. Big Jolly, get orb, ha? You must get orb. Ang lakas ni Farah, 15 kills, oh. Ang sakit talaga. Wow, we got... I thought we got 2 orbs because... This. Why I am lighting yellow? Oh my god, they can get 3 orbs because they are 3. DC ako, hindi makita chats ko sa stream. Okay na. Tali ka na kay bladed. Yan, nahulog yung mic. Na DC pala si Farah. Protect me, Big. May lilusob. Aray ko. Ang sakit naman yung Deadly Slayer. Let's try to kill them yung. Wala, hindi ko siya mapatay. Takas na tayo, takas. Diba dito ko dumaan, dami. Dapat sa 9 o'clock tayo, Big. Oh no, someone is here. Deadly Slayer is here. No, don't kill me. Oh my god. Grabe naman yun. Ayun, yun yung meron siyang naka-skin na when you kill something. When you kill someone, may lumalabas na sarang dragon. Ayun, no? Nakabantay na siya sa yellow. Walang nga to. Binantayan na yung yellow. Nakuha ko. Kaso mapatay niya ako. Hinabol ako. Big Belly, patayin mo yan. Mananalo na sila. May palapit dito, takbo. Pwede ba ako kumuha ng dalawang orb? Hinabol talaga ako ni Remyo, ha? Hinabol ako ni... Ay, naman si Dead Slayer. Yun, may libreng orb doon. Saan natin? Si Deadly Slayer na naman. Ano pa yung Remyo? Paano na to? Hindi ka kasi makuha ng orb eh. Paano ka mag-MVP? Room, MVP, Dead Slayer. Inagaw rin yung Inagaw rin yung. GTY guys, I give codes after stream. Join Bladed stream guys. Thank you guys, and sa mga PM me pala, wait. PM my page so I get to get your codes. Thank you guys, and bye bye.